In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Stripe with Pandadoc. If you are using Pandadoc to create proposals, quotes, or documents, connecting Stripe can help you streamline how payments are handled. This integration can make it easier to turn an agreement into a payment flow without doing everything manually. So let us walk through the process step by step, at a comfortable pace. First, click Extensions. You might see this option in your Pandadoc dashboard or in the navigation menu. Take a moment to look for a section labeled Extensions, Apps, or something similar, depending on how your workspace is organized. Clicking Extensions is important because it is the place where you manage and add connected tools to your account. Once you open it, you should see a list or a page that contains available integrations. Next, click Integrations. After you enter the Extensions area, Integrations is usually where the specific connections are shown. This is where tools like payment providers are listed, along with options to connect or manage them. Clicking Integrations helps you narrow down from general add-ons to the specific integrations you can set up. On the screen, you should now be looking at a selection of integration categories or a searchable list of services. After that, find Stripe. On the Integrations page, look for a search bar, filters, or simply scan through the available services until you see Stripe. You can usually recognize it by the Stripe name and logo. Finding Stripe is the key step because it ensures you are connecting the correct payment provider. If there is a search box, type Stripe to make it faster to locate. When you see Stripe appear in the list, you are ready to connect it to Pandadoc. Now click Connect. This is typically a button next to Stripe, or it may be part of the Stripe integration card. Clicking Connect tells Pandadoc that you want to begin the setup process. At this point, it is normal for the interface to open a connection flow, which may be hosted by Stripe or handled through a secure authorization window. Be sure you click the Connect button for Stripe specifically, so the correct integration starts. Then, follow the prompts to connect your Stripe account. The prompts may ask you to confirm access permissions, choose which Stripe account to use if you have more than one, or verify that you want to authorize the connection. Pay attention to each screen and only proceed when you are sure the information looks correct. If you are asked to sign in, make sure you sign in to the appropriate Stripe account. If you have multiple environments, such as test versus live, only proceed with the one you intend to use for your setup. As you follow the prompts, you may also see options that determine how the integration behaves. For example, the system may ask permission for Pandadoc to access certain payment features. Take a moment to review any confirmation text before continuing. This helps ensure the connection is set up the way you need it. Once you complete the authorization steps, the connection should return you to Pandadoc, usually with a confirmation that Stripe is connected successfully. Finally, after the connection is established, take a moment to ensure everything is ready within your Pandadoc workspace. Look for any status indicator that confirms the integration is active. If the integration page shows Stripe as connected, you are in good shape. If you do not see that confirmation right away, check for a success message or a refresh indicator, and that covers everything you need to know. You have successfully integrated Stripe with Pandadoc by opening Extensions, going to Integrations, selecting Stripe, clicking Connect, and completing the authorization prompts. And that is all there is to it.